Rangabati is Odia funk. That's what a party in Odisha sounds like. It's probably the theme song of Odisha. You can't miss it.
For me, it's a nod to my roots. It's a super hit song from where I come from. दो लाइन नहीं गाओ इस गाने के और पूरे स्टेडियम जो है झूम जाती है.
The first time I traveled to Odisha with Sona, I really fell in love with the place. I really think it's a beautiful people and a lovely culture. And Rangabati represents all that, it represents the simplicity of the people, the love they have in their hearts, not just a romantic love, but a love for nature.
बोल यही है कि एक सुंदर सी लड़की है गांव की, एक लड़का उसको बोल रहा है तो इतना मतलब सुंदर है, तो हंस के एक बात मुझे कह रहे हैं.
Prithviraj Mohanty, of course, he's one of the rising stars of Indian singing, so the obvious choice was because of the song. It was great to get another Odia singer to sing it.
It's celebrating its love, it's a universal theme. छेड़छाड़ है लड़का और लड़की के बीच में. There's a boy who is celebrating the beauty of his beloved, and she in return is responding to him. Underlying that, I think there's lots more, and that's where the love for the land theme comes in.
The Rangabati track is like dedicated to our motherland. We take a lot of things than giving lesser things. So it's all about giving more than what you're taking. Our lyrics were major focused on the rains and all the things that blossom when it rains.
Tony and Rajesh, I think they're spectacular and they have something to say, they have a social conscience. I really like the fact that the rap is very positive. It's got a very inspirational, transcendental quality to it. That's the reason why I thought that, Bande Utkala Janani was a perfect summation, because it's not a jingoistic song, it's a love song again. It's a love song for the land and it's a love song for your mother. So I thought that tied in really well.
उड़ीसा मिट्टी को उत्कल बोलते हैं, जैसे द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, जैसे देशभक्ति होता है वैसे उड़ीसा का भक्ति सॉन्ग है ये.
Rangabati is also about dreams, it's also about giving your heart to somebody and owning up to that commitment every day. It's about I love you and I'll show it to you every day. It's that kind of song. It's the kind of love song only a person who's really in love would sing.
Rangabati, Rangabati.